How to add product categories on Wix. Quick and easy tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to add product categories on Wix.com. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is you will log into your Wix.com and you will get to your site. You have to select the site, your store that you have created, where you actually want to create the product categories or collections. So I have selected this website right here. Now this is the dashboard for my website, and then I have also opened up the editor. There are two ways to add the product category. We can either go to the store section right here on my website, or we can actually do this from the dashboard as well. It's easier if we do it from here. With our main dashboard of the website, we have this menu. In menu, we have store products. You can see in store products, we have products, inventory, and collection. Now, collection and category is the same thing. We can divide our products into different collections and categories to customize them and to actually manage them better, or to actually create a unique collection on our store. So you can see we have these different collections already created. We have all products, 14 total. Then we have some knitwears, longwears, on sale, and robes. I want to create a new collection, so I'm just going to click on new collection here. Give your collection a name. I'm going to call it winter. Click on add products, and you have to choose the products from here. I'm going to select a winter dress, this one right here, this one. Then we have this one right here and this one. Click on add, and the products you wanted to add will be added right here. These are 5 products that I wanted to add in winter. Of course, you will add as many products as you want. Then we can also select a collection image. Click right here and you can upload an image from your gallery, or you can select an image from your products. We also have some coupons and email campaign, and this is how you will create a collection or a category on Wix. So you can see once you're done, click on save, and a new collection or a category will be created. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.